Hello, today we will guide you through Claude Fable 5 not showing. What to do if Claude Fable 5 isn't showing up. If you're trying to start a new conversation in Claude and you don't see Fable 5 listed as an available model, don't worry. In many cases, this is just a temporary loading or display issue, and there are a few simple things you can do to check whether the model appears. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is the best place to confirm which models are currently available to your account. Once you're on the new chat screen, take a quick look around the message area for where model options are usually shown. If Claude Fable 5 still isn't showing, the first thing to try is refreshing the page. A refresh can help reload the interface and pull in any updates that may not have appeared the first time the page loaded. Sometimes the app simply needs a fresh session to display newly available features correctly. After the page reloads, give it a moment and then check again. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, the next option is to fully close Claude and then reopen it. This can be especially helpful if the session is stuck or if part of the interface didn't load properly. After reopening Claude, return once again to the new chat screen and let everything load completely before checking for the model. Once the app is open again, look at the text box area and click the drop-down menu associated with model selection. This drop-down is where Claude typically lists the models available for use in a conversation. Open that menu carefully and check whether Fable 5 now appears in the list. As you do this, make sure you're checking the correct drop-down near the message field, since that's the area most commonly used to switch between models. If the list takes a second to load, give it a little time before deciding it's still missing. These steps are simple, but they often resolve the issue quickly. Going to a new chat, refreshing the page, restarting Claude, and checking the model drop-down can help confirm whether Claude Fable 5 is available but just wasn't showing at first. That's it for this guide. By following these checks in order, you should be able to verify whether Claude Fable 5 appears and continue from there.